Lions bring pressure. Chambliss delivers. Touchdown, Ole Miss. Daquan Wright. Morelos back on top. Number 6's hands. Chambliss on the move. Scanning. End zone. Caught. 2-point conversion by Caleb Odom. They are in field goal range. It's a long distance one. 4-man rush. Back across the middle. Caught. First down. Keelan Marion stepping up and making a massive contribution tonight.
Stage, does he get another opportunity?
3 receivers, one to the left. Beck is looking that way. And still looking. Still looking. Touchdown running. Carson Beck with his legs. Puts Miami on top. What a drive.